Hi guys, so I just got some stuff in. I was looking at it, I'm like, what is this? I'm like, oh, it was so fast. So some items from Tonic from the last Wednesday. Actually, I guess I ordered on Tuesday because it was the mystery bag from last Wednesday. But the reason they go live on Tuesday sometimes is because they are on the UK time, and sometimes they just let things go live on their site according to the UK time. So I would assume that's what it seems like. I just wanted to show you those things. So if I have any affiliate or links in the description box, there will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items through those links. There's something in there right now that is still available right now and is adorable, so I want to show that to you. And then I also got some candy in from Giano's Candy that I like to order on HSN, so I'm just going to show it to you real quick. I think this one is sold out right now, but I just love getting their chocolate. So I think I reviewed them a little while back, and one of them was not my favorite flavor. It was the haystack one. It tasted like Raid, and maybe that's just my opinion, but it reminded me of that. So I've done a review before, but the rest of them were really good. And the rum meltoys are amazing, so good. So this is the 5-pound. It smells like what's it called? Mint already, because I think there's some mint ones in here, but this is like a peanut butter one, and you can see it's a little bit melted because, you know, they sent it off and then UPS had it for however long, and then I'm here in Southern California, so I was curious about that, but they don't look too bad. If there was a ton of melted ones, normally I like to order things like this when it's cool weather, but it's not cooling off out here. If you're anywhere else where you're having cool weather, then you'll be fine. But as you can see, they're okay. Yeah, they just, like, I'll open this pecan snapper real quick. I'll take a nice little bite for myself at the moment, I think. They were literally just delivered, so they're very soft because they just came off of their truck. So good. So again, caramel, pecan, chocolate, good stuff. So, they are highly recommended. My husband did kind of like the haystack one, so I don't know what's up with him, but apparently it's good. To me, it just tasted like Raid. So I didn't eat any of them. And then they have rum meltaways, like I said, that you can pick up. Maybe I'll have a link if they're still available. Super good. Okay. Stuff from Tonic that I picked up last week. So it came in less than a week. And I have noticed that, so hopefully, you know, with the shipping and everything, they do ship from the US if you're in the US. But they also ship from California, so that's another reason probably I get it a little bit faster. Oh, so cute. Okay. So, I opened it up. Similar like last time I just showed you guys what it looks like. On the very top, they have a little reminder of their catalog, of their rose mailing circle dot and drop stamp or kit that is out right now. And I'll have the links to all those things. Really cute though, because it even has a September, October. That's nice because I had no idea what it looked like until it arrived at my house, right, to review. And then everything's just kind of in here nicely set up. All right, I'll show you what I picked up. And I'm not sure. Okay, I was like, what is this? So they have some things on sale under their Inktober, I guess, sale. And so I wanted to try their watercolor card and stuff, so I picked this up, the A2 size. These are only like $5 and $6. And this, I didn't realize is A2 is small, and then this guy is a big boy. It's a A4 15 sheets. So I'm definitely looking forward to trying them out because, you know, I like to try out different watercolor papers. So that's one of them. I did pick up their alcohol ink markers because I don't have any of them and I wanted to try them out. Some of them were on sale and some weren't, but I just wanted to grab them so that I would have colors to work with. So I think like these three might still be on sale. The Coral Blend set I don't think was, but maybe Coral Reef. And let's look at this real quick while we're here. It's getting hot for some reason. Okay, it has a cool shape, cool pen. Oh, it's closed up. Hold on. So on this side we have our nib, the little hard nib. Oh, it's such a pretty color. It's bright. And on the other side we have, I'm assuming, like the sketch type nib. I don't know. Let's see. You guys know I like brush pens, but then when I got the brush pens from Spectrum Noir, I was like, maybe I'm used to nibs now. Alright, and that's a big sketch side. Alright. So, I'm gonna say they don't have a heavy scent. It smells almost like, a little bit like alcohol, but more like glue. But they are alcohol ink markers, so that's interesting. Okay. Okay. let me move these things to the side. You guys, I'm all discombobulated right now because I just did a review card for this cutie for Local King, and I think it came out really cute. So hopefully you guys already seen the video. But I was going along as I was going along, you know, making it up like I do, and it threw me for a loop a couple parts because I was like, ooh, how am I going to make this into a shaker when it's such a thin edge, you know? It worked out. Okay. So this is one of the deals that they had last Wednesday and I picked up, and it was just the nesting dies because I don't have a lot of their nesting dies, and so I wanted to get them. So it came with, I think they were like 20 some odd bucks. 24 maybe. I think in my mind they were like $7 a pack. So look at that. I mean, these are big boys too, and a lot of dies. So I grabbed that, and they've done this a couple times. So maybe they'll do it again this Wednesday or tomorrow. I'll let you guys know, of course. I'll send out an alert. And this is my mystery bag from this last Wednesday, just a couple days ago Wednesday. So we have the word love in the essential set. We have best friends. Aww. Sentiments. We have the little music notes, perfect harmony. It looks like this goes to that Rococo. Yeah, right there it says Rococo set. Oh, this is so cute. The little dog, Scotty dog. I don't think I have him, and he is adorable, and it's a good size. So I mean, he would make like a whole card front, you know, by himself. Oh my gosh. Okay, so then we have Mythical Glade layering set, and this has a ton of dies, as you can see. I love the Verso sets because they always have a lot of dies. I mean, look at this. You can go on and on forever with what you want. I mean, any size, whatever card, a mini album. I mean, this is crazy. Wow, so cool. So this one is the Mythical Glade, again, layering set. And this one, when I saw it, I thought, oh, this is so cute. I think they have a stamp set that goes along with this, so if this is something I, you know, love, I'll just go and get the stamp set just to make sure that I have the whole thing. So it's the mason jar die set, and they show you how they make it into a shaker or however you want to use it. But this is adorable. Oh my gosh, look at all the dies that are in there. So cute. Again, these are $25 mystery bags, and if you're a member of the Kit Club member, you get 10% off, so they're only $22.50. So that's pretty cool. Now, see, this one says Tonic Show Kit, and I know they're going to take this down kind of soon, only because I asked about it. I was like, oh, this is so cute, and then my contact at Tonic said, oh yeah, they have it, but they're going to take it down soon. So if this is something you want, I would say definitely pick it up, but let me back up a little bit, because this is a big box. And it says Tonic Show Kit. So this was something they put out because of Stamp and Scrapbook Expo. Oh, it's open already. And it's just like one of their kits. So basically it's a one-off purchase, and I think it's $39.99. Again, if you're a member of the Kit Club, you can get 10% off. But look at this. Welcome to Tonic Craft Kit 23. And what's funny about that is that I think she said that they didn't put this one out. Maybe they did. I don't know. I think my contact might have said they didn't. Or they put it out real quick again for a show. I don't know, guys. Either way, if you don't have this one, it's available right now. How cute is this? So again, oh, these are dots. How cute. I thought it was a triangle. So Crystal Cloud Circles Pure Sheen Confetti. Look at that, the little circles. And then we have Prickly Pear Pure Sheen Sequins. And these are, it's really ultra fine, like glitter. A cute little tiny, oh, Nuvo Drops in Red Berry. How cute is that? I love the bottle. Obviously, it's not full size. Embossing powder and shimmering pearl. These are so cute. A whole thing of twine with like a little jungle, like green and colors. Oh my gosh, look at this. And then we have an Aqua Shimmer Pen and glitter gloss. So it's clear glitter. And then we have the Laguna Bay Hybrid Ink, which is really cool. Beautiful color. I don't have very many of these, so that's fun. We have the paper that's the Rainbow Fever paper. How cute is that? I think this, maybe I'm wrong. This might be available right now anyway in their bundles for the weekend bundles, because they have a bunch of really pretty colors and paper packs that they put out, so it goes with the drink carton kit, the designer's choice. So this is adorable paper. Oh my gosh. And then let me just move this out of the way so we can get to the dies, which is what we are always looking for. And then it comes with the paper. So it's pretty much like a craft kit like they normally put out. And again, I don't know. I haven't followed them long enough. Like, I didn't even know Tonic had the US site until not too long ago, right after the pandemic, that we're just kind of shopping online. So again, people love their kits. And so you can let me know if I know I have a subscriber that's been getting the kit for a very long time now. So she'll let me know. So beautiful lilac paper, kind of a coral reddish pink shimmer. Look at this one. Oh my gosh. That's gorgeous. like a handmade paper, but it's just really pretty paper. We have this other one with a cute little pattern in there, and then like a metallic teal or blue color. That's the matte metallic. And then the craft kit, let's see, it says Tonic Show Kit. If I maybe had the number on there before. This feels weighty. So cute. So we have some information here again about the craft kit, because again, this was, it looks like it's supposed to be a show kit. So they, you know, you purchase it and then maybe you signed up or however you want to do that at one of the expo shows, is what it seems like. So that's just some information. And then we have the little stamp set with the little monkeys and things. How do I show you this best? I hope you can kind of see the little animals, and then it has sentiments. And then this is the kit that it makes, like basically a little box or a little gift box, which is so cute. I'm assuming you're gonna put 2 of these together, like cut 2 sides. I don't know, doesn't seem that way, but of course I'll review it. I just wanted to show you guys this right now with a little unboxing. And then of course it has the shapes to cut out the little guys. It has other words. You have your layering pieces, how Tonic likes to do, and all these different things. Really, really adorable. So all right, guys. Yeah, so that's it. So thanks for watching. I'm going to finish my chocolate and relax for the rest of the day. If you are watching HSN, I do have a link for the, what's the thing called? The bread maker they put on special today. I picked it up in stainless steel because I'm very interested in it. I think I like that it has a yogurt function. I do have 5 other bread machines, so I'm going to do reviews for it and tutorials in case you picked it up. I'll have the link there, but you will also have some idea of how to use it and maybe some other things you can do with it. I've never done a yogurt function on a machine. Like I said, I have other machines. I think that's the first one with a yogurt function that I now own. So I'm looking forward to trying that out. And I know like a lot of you guys were interested in it, so if you pick it up, let me know. But either way, I'll make the reviews, because even if you already have a bread maker, it's basically the same thing. You can use the same recipes as long as they're the same like size loaf, right? A pound or a pound and a half or 2 pound or whatever it is. And we'll get to that. Been a long day, guys. A lot going on. Tomorrow Miranda starts school. Oh, and tomorrow's Zero's birthday. It's a busy day tomorrow. So I don't know if I'll have 4 videos like I have today, but I will be in contact with you guys. Okay, so thanks for watching. Links in the description box, and I'll see you guys at the next one. Bye now.